At the moment, it's a criminal act for two minors under the age of 16 to engage in a sexual act. But the Constitutional Court wants that changed. Parliament is now listening to various child rights organizations on the issue. The committee wants to hear how best to decriminalize such behavior while keeping children safe.
We don't want the full weight of the law to be used to deal with children who engage in sexual activities. As one of the Constitutional Court judges said, we don't want to use a hammer to crack a nut.
If they were afraid that a healthcare worker would report them if they were to admit that they are sexually active, they're less likely to access healthcare, and that is my biggest concern.
For members of the Portfolio Committee, it's critical that the country understands decriminalising sex between minors is not legalising it, and by no means does it lower the age of consent from the current 16 years.
When we talk about Section 15 and 16 of the Act and decriminalising consent between minors, we're not really saying that we need to legalise sex between children. We're trying to actually come up with a situation that in the event it happens, we don't actually make children criminals.
It is important to emphasize that the age of consent remains 16, but we are fully aware that there are teenagers engaging in sexual activities. The issue is then how to address that. And clearly that is where families, that is where church groups, that is where faith-based organizations, educators and NGOs need to come in.
The public hearings are expected to wrap today. Lukhanyo Khalada, SABC News, Parliament.